Hello. You find me at an impasse in that my PC's broke. So this is my Ryzen workstation PC, the one that I use all the time. And I came to it this morning, clicked it on, it came on. So sorry, the RGB backlighting for the motherboard came on, but it wouldn't power on. Then the RGB backlighting for the motherboard turned off. So then I thought, that's not right. I had a good look around. Nothing seemed to be wrong. Everything else on the desk was powered. The power brick, which is an anti-surge power brick, looked absolutely fine. So I thought, right, kettle lead. It might have popped the fuse, maybe, possibly. So I changed it to a different kettle lead. I tried two different ones from two different PCs, and I found an actual spare one, a brand new one in a box. And none of them would power it back on then. So then I was a bit nervous. And what I've done, if I can actually spot it, is I've taken the power supply out. Now this is actually quite an expensive power supply. It's a Corsair HX1000 Platinum, and I went for a really nice one for efficiency, and it's a butt-skin. Doesn't smell. I can't see anything inside that may have blown. There's nothing burst or broken in there. So it's a bit odd. I can't actually say what's going on. And I wish their dogs would start barking. And by strange happenstance, I have a brand new, fresh out of the box, other Corsair power supply, which is for another project, completely other project. What I'm doing is I'm taking out the HX1000 and I'm putting in an RM550X to try it all out. Now, annoyingly, I have actually just tried to RMA the 1000, and I went all through the steps on the Corsair RMA website, and it just swallowed the ticket. So Corsair, you need to fix that. Anyway, what I've got though, of course, is because we've moved house, I don't have the box for the RX at the HX1000, so I'm a bit perturbed. These are the cables for it, and obviously I've cable managed everything in the back and the front. So what I've got to do is carefully unpeel everything that I've done before. We put the 550 out of the way again. Its box with its important information leaflet, and let's just carry on. So it's a bit of a nightmare. I don't know how. So that's my PCI Express power for the graphics card. The case in question is a Corsair as well. It's the Obsidian 900 Obsidian B, which I really like for these like cable running things. The worst bit I've got is this piece of wiring here, which is partly LED stuff, but also temperature sensor stuff, and it's horrible. It's just I sit it like that. So yeah, bit of a mess there. Let's just make a bit of space and rotate the case around so I can see the front a bit better, and maybe you guys can. Because all I'm going to do, I'll lower this down. All I'm going to do is sit the 550 there, connect the cables up, give it power, see what happens. So let's put the 1000 away. Let's get the 550. Now this is the warning tab that it can be silent when under low load. I'll just take that off. Power supply button is a lot dinkier than the 1000. I'm not just going to miss my front I/O. I'm not screwing this in. It's literally just staying there for a few moments. Here's the bag of goodies. These are my hard drive sleds. In fact, we can put them back into the places so they don't get lost or damaged. Because I've dusted, you see, as I've been in here. In fact, I can see the paintbrush. Just been using a paintbrush to agitate the worst of it away. So let's see what we've got. Here's the 12-pin ATX. And I'm going to put that to here, directly to there. I'm not cable managing it at all. There we go. So let's just actually familiarize myself with the PSU. So it's different than the 1000. The 1000 has the ATX at the bottom as a single thing, and this is a different way around. This is actually different cabling. That was one of the other reasons for using, stripping the cable out of there, because it is different. So I need those two. That's fine. And now I need a PCI Express for the graphics card. PCIe. I mean, I'm assuming that I need to use these ones with this power supply. I would guess that the pinout would be identical because they're identical manufacturer. I don't know why the buying department would do that to someone, but you never know. You never know what goes through a buyer's head. So which way around? That way around. Really? Really? Absolutely? Seriously? You don't want to go in? What am I missing? Square, square. Yes, yes. Hoop, 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 square. Let's have a look. What's going on here? I'm getting messaged on Discord, maybe because I've gone live. Right. So 6.2 PCIe, that would be in there. And then 4x4. Four by 4 PSU. That's got 6. Let me just have a look at something. So CPU wise, in this case, I was using 4s and 8s. Right, okay. Well, we'll see if 8 is enough. Not just the 4 and an 8, an 8 and a 4. So this is CPU. Definitely CPU. And let's have a look. I can put it in. Let me just unravel it, but unkink it. That's in. Let's just twist that back around. Sorry if you can't see very well, folks. It's more important the PC doesn't fall off the desk now. Right, let's get the ATX main connector in and rest this down here. Come on, Leviathan. There we go. Let's just give that a bit of pressure. There we go. It's actually didn't actually need any pressure. And let's go with the power cord that came with the RM550X. You can see the dust that's come off it. So dust, I don't think dust is the issue at all. There we go. Let's take the power brick out. In. Everything's green down there for power. off. Done. So the RGB has come on. I'm pretty confident the PC would come on now. So what I need to do is just secure this a bit more, screw it all back together, and then we need to get a cable for the screen. And I'm losing my words here. I think I need coffee. Right. I think I've assured myself of that situation. Thank you for joining me on this very quick 10-minute live stream. There'll be more to follow.